No flash flood watch. Go. Wait. What? Oh! I believe this is my first. Stop.
In effect from 9 p.m. this evening.
Where is it?
Thursday morning.
Stop!
Has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Central Virginia, Northern Virginia, Northwest Virginia, and Western Virginia, including the following areas: in Central Virginia, Albemarle; Central Virginia, Blue Ridge, Green, Nelson, and Orange; in Northern Virginia, Culpeper; in Northwest Virginia, Madison; Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge, Page, and Rappahannock; in Western Virginia, Augusta, and Rockingham. From 9 p.m. this evening through Thursday morning, several rounds of moderate to heavy rainfall, with a few embedded thunderstorms possible, are expected to persist through Thursday morning. The first round is ongoing, with a low expected later this afternoon. The second round comes this evening through tonight, with more moderate to heavy rainfall expected. Storm total rainfall of 2 to 4 inches is expected through Thursday. Where heavier elements persist, we could see locally higher amounts. This could result in localized instances of flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop to lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.